right, Jama Obibia Kwaba and Famra say Obet Network. Yes, as usual. Oba, don't forget Obede. Also, Obetimi as subscribe now for what you must share. Na Ode Amonyana Fonya. It's me Ashbo and a hit. And I yet Matana said in Samono a day a barber so Christmas stories. Yes, around some ebawo. And a person that does Asante Kotoko-Details officially. A similar said the performance no Egusu Ekoso Kama. And I think results no idea fans any other enso etimejahu. Today yana somebody our pitch no. Na I want the 3 points and a free parking no side there. Enso etimida fie. Any idea that Kotoko supporters akoma so. You ever see the place and they say New Year almost Samayanfa Swedo all blacks. Entimi enchaso. Yes, entimi enchaso. Na emwa ema bibia yede enso entimi enkwa kamo. Transfers no you be room anopay. Na Asante Kotoko strikers issues. Ene mebe confirm the amount. Asante Kotoko-Details any Division 1 striker be 18 komo. Yes, me de ba no pay. Asante Kotoko any Division 1 striker 18 komo. And don't forget say omako open akofo mu player. Sat no. Asante Kotoko akofo open akofo mu player. Na e striker bay. Aron some e ba shi. Samba nkomo no.
Samba no man who ya obekwa as a free agent.
No, that's
Abo
economy always say.
And your man na kokoko no. Go ni ma de ade ba ko about agents. Won say deal ni agents na kofa ba. When you aka 6 months, but for $150,000.
Back with always my pay dealer, man.
That is where the issue is.
They can
find a finding agent, be maybe on 9 times negotiation, maybe on my year.
Because I a contract.
That's what Muja say. Agents in Mamma contact Kotoko. Or when you say 6 months, no. Obama has to cover our package here $20,000.
Pena 6 months now.
One Tiasia was signed pre-contract. 6 months in the swing.
Good advice.
It's so far here. Samba unsem ana tese echegu enya sem kitu akranti tese jibo ekabie na niabre bruta o chide pamsi plus no se ne safuduku ekan na no David interviewer oni Asante Kotoko comedian eye no se uye supporter ese otimi chomase plus in fact so beti mama player ati wase pass on stand contract en fama wono yana empepu enye easy yana enye easy se player pa beji atum se o stand contract enye easy yo one ebi o fade membu el club nim ebi esike bi o hwe nim edifi club on nsan ye de entim enka ebi a o pese o ye de obesisi efe ye ntino no o pesike mu odu obetima boa ama san dipa na ye den etima be hwefie obetima kofa contract ede aba anaso obetima konya club bi ede abrete player no se onso wemu player ebetima reject player no obetima ede enso etima reject etana empepe ni contract sign anaso contract extension ana e difficult adama san class bi se omni players in the action me show pass abetama ko yi abetama be pese obeto so adama Asante Kotoko but ede esikasem Mika say, Niakubi on nam, Eshen bruta. On ne enye sisu, Benesana yonkone de enswatima konim. It's a bit difficult to say. Ebias I play the enso ebetimatana. No samba situation make me happy because yana onone de say opese Asante Kotoko no etiminya bibia de kakra. Samba motivano no. Some don't pese obeko free. Some pese Asante Kotoko no etime bibi kakra. Na club etime de editor che because samba ba ye. Asante Kotoko na ma no samba aya samba. Wa beka wa obeji atum bia no wankasa beji atum. Se Kotoko na ma samba aya samba. Isi apeja no modimbonim amasese na samba no isi wotime duru ba bia ano odin. Tiye se de samba nkomere enso ebesi akọ Asante Kotoko me second story mpanyinfo no bi yes enu ananya asem keto secretariat enu 2 players ene ko piem Asante Kotoko secretariat na makracho se so be so confirm se mpanyinfo no bi ebeja players ni bi kwan amomako mpanyinfo no bi ebeja players ni bi kwan amoyede enso atimako na enya no pay makes me a confirm e de ma wo se player ba ko mfinfi wo mpanyinfo ja no kwan yes mpanyinfo de ja no kwan menra komo no enwe player but the makes me de ma wo se enkomo na course omo de atu player nim se omo ntimi no enya adwuma bio e o club nim na de di mu tintiman pa no indiscipline our boy in fa in fact ohadwen our club house and painful jide say the performance among ka say enye be so mo tokoso e ma branton every mo Asante Kotoko club so wo si akan a e bia ye be da so no na painful adam so mo na ye de egu abonten ti choka no deme peken sa branton fe ne se samo woti ne du ote some painful eno na to kwanta o mapaya ema no enya wawa pele ote se painful eja ne kwan a ema no enya wawa eno de ote wa mede ema. There is another 2 players here ene me no kasai amo be se sham painful e was secretariat odono kwada so me say 2 players e be shia painful ne na fe omo so no mpanyinfo take omo decision enso teme de etimejo omo kwan so for the 3 players and for now ekuta me say mpanyinfo eno mo beto kwanta etima pai eno so de otawa me de ema enso eno no na has MD nsensem no
ozivom has for say na mbese mekele minima do kwintia obi ebo has MD na chi oyede
Somebody if you receive letters and
onye
what receive one reply I think
bana won't me ma bonten mekasa bana won't me ma bonten mekasa na has wo ho no mizoto obi a odi no kura che no ho bia ni momom ye adwuma has how can this be possible sem mizoto upon MD sa has afa wo mu MD sa ham sa afa wo mu mizoto mu nyina aba ma be ye adwuma nti obi anya de a obi a betimi attend club is that what we are saying? This is a club of move to the level so makwa USA, America. So to akofo obi oye expert to become their MD. Obaye no still the na ekoso an ekoso. Mark Noonan, Frederick Moore, JB. Ene ayi anku. Omo time ni name so to difference omo ye dey. E same. And sometimes you blame the wrong people for amount for mistakes o my owura no onye hwe onye hu because at the end of the day be my brother coach here can one appoint coach no
and board chairman
one the sake no
board chairman he takes all decisions.
Okay, let's assume so almost let 14 days now. Okay, if Has were ready to pay kebejina baby away. It's the 14 days as I can
delay.
I know my
eventually Babonten.
I come back here, come to the baby. It's yes, I Orano, won't be my bonten, my cousin, and Simon Yaki can say Gunuso. And this Omaba has a folk in so the only thing on my end is Omagotanomakuno. There are people working. I am the 40 million Mojuma. It's yen and I am the say, and I am the say, and your man accustomed to. Who? Share. Me say if there is one area or he need to go after there be a bona baswa the infrastructure of us full. But on the field of play, Togo Bar has on the worst period in the history of the club. It took me time. How many times?
2 times. Okay. And the FA Cup.
Well, check the record.
Champion of
check the records of House of Food. Say has bet me for 12 years. And now 10 years with just 1 league title. And see, eti decisions so mu taking and then NEC agina haya mu so mu ntimi inside play. na sɛ Hearts ntimi sign player ne ɛbɛbɔ league na
ga coach na yɛ adwuma no du baabi
yes ne ɛbɛbɔ league na wie na didi ntimi anje
ga
league
kra bi so a
ada me hwɛ ɔmo ne Aduana Stars yi me hu ya ne sɛ player bi bɛm me ti sɛ commentator sɛ Tamale Lukaku
ahwan no sɛne abas mu di ɔmde ma no na ɔwuro commentator no ate
na sɛ wohwɛ
commentator ɔm ka deɛ supporters ka wo
na sɛ wohwɛ player no
obi e so be mu do
wohwɛ the level of Hasofo sɛ Hearts paa si akɔ scout to striker wontimi control ball
yes
yoto ball kura kwa wontimi chase ball
so obi rush
na team a just as of the second then team of Ghana no say o ne akomia anya adwena na
second team
akomia se Ghana how mon boy fe pass na to so two
and then so we can individual player one can has team
no can dey fe no
Lukaku
no ni
be different
yoto stage
Lukaku player no
we House supporter na wani abre na pe be de wasem akwa channel fa ko board no memfa nkwa ndini so sika ye kan so too so there but a big football club like House of Folk shouldn't be put through such shame na ade chi anopam to near discuss ade ya Hearts na say na say Hearts to player
275
say committee of settings aka bi
em say enyi omo nyoma de so
the Hearts issue no recently Kwame kept say on so many occasions and I'm so too sponsors are try to come on board and sponsor House of Folk.
Yes. You know that for a fact.
Yes. Sika mo de kono. Say sika na bi no mo de ko club say ha sesuo. E mo jo mo tumu. Ha se de ese da bi. Ye be say wie no, ya anyi sika no. No mo di player sika. Ya ma transfer ban.
Ebi.
So what the major say eti
okay.
How the club is being run about some money nko kakra.
Eti no. Am say has nkomo ne de besi wo. Na yehwa na bibia dey enso atimi aye kama Asante Kotoko fom pain for betu kwan yes me the sad story e ma Asante Kotoko fom pain for ebetu kwan na amako prim e wo Nigeria there is one player bia watime ayi ne ho an agent no ene Asante Kotoko club no enso atime de atime din komo na agent e de ato Asante Kotoko club nim se ade betima aboa pa no se o de se omo player no omo njindi se woya ade a on agent a recommend adamatem no na so mo gidi ofema omo nkasa enfa plane emra Nigeria na omo mehwe na brantie no etifiti de kwenkopim next week o te se Asante Kotoko campaign for no bi atu moto so a mesro merisa story e de amount omo ba ko player no two Asante Kotoko campaign for ana de mensa kan se omo beko ene ma sheda media to fon pa two Asante Kotoko campaign for unofficially omo jatu so ko with one scout member bia onu furubo mu pa me person me boni din ebeko bi ti etre we kay be ka se three contingent ana eko three contingent ana de eko intenu se na wotewa me de emamu Asante Kotoko striker search. This is the situation. Also, Prince Bedu deal of DM no. Boy na die empayfo na wie. Yes. Abante first Prince Bedu deal no aye done deal. Eche Dogli ne deal ekonko ho. And ye mintimi twa ontro. Me confirm the amount. So we Eche Dogli and of a Prince Bedu esiwa Asatana de what take lead on the deal no 99.99% ay abranti a je fe no se Prince Bedu enwa okosi Asante Kotoko fom pain for our secretariat e ma deal no omawie e chere ti Prince Bedu de no ana me de mamutew na sese no strike and come on ay nkomo bako apeja pa o Asante Kotoko ni mo no o msa morofin donzu Kwame Poku omo eya mafamu de bia se omo betima je club de so mo na so na fe goal score United enso etima filo na this is the situation of Pemede Emma metima confirm and no pay obi abusa was confidence and this story e the amount say and then 2 days Asante Kotoko panyini nana penkra ana fie refer se asenso ekopia mu ewo tema no mo kwae no. This is the situation. The me confirm media ma won say omokosia positive on painful Port City omo division 1 league no omo painful before say Sunday no omo Eba Stadium. I'm telling you me more information pa Kotoko Imc chairman nana penkra ana fe refer say asenso omo kopiam ewo tema ekosia positive on painful na omo kosia omo striker je fais say Junior Kobla wabo 7 matches 6 goals ana wase deme pick any say Asante Kotoko from paying for etimational interest our branch fans say Junior Kobla mo sina academy positive striker obi am say wa confidence also be network and this story amount story obi ekuta obi a ma break the amount. You say Christmas there, I say to me pie stories in mu. Pie. The tree. So this is the situation. For Brantia, je say Junior Kobla. Positive and we see na kind striker. Asante Kotoko from paying for estimational interest. Confe, you don't forget to subscribe now. On so what you must say.